Hello, Assalamualaikum. With me Al. I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Nur Amin, and all of you can call me Amin. I come from Tegal, and I immigrate to this city because I work in a contractor and study at Mercu Buana University. Now I live alone at the boarding house. My parents, of course, still remain in my hometown. I was born in Tegal, 25 Juli on 25 Juli 1996. My activity in my spare times is badminton. Badminton is sport that is easy to play and save space. The way to play it by hitting a badminton ball with a racket. This sport can be done with one on one or in teams of 2 against 2. Every morning before leaving for before leaving for work, my brother and did this exercise in the yard of the house. We do it happily because activity is healthy for the body. We played this together, so we used to add horse or parties in the afternoon after coming home from work playing the sport. Sometimes we also invite friends to play together, and we usually make small competition with prize that are entertaining enough for use. With that, we can further improve our familiarity with our local friends. Our parents agree with and support the sport we are in, Indonesia badminton. We both have their respective idols. I idol Taufik Hidayat, Manwil, my young brother Indonesia Tontowi Ahmad. We aspire to be professional badminton players like him. The two of us always participate vigorously together the home page by making a line on the ground and spreading the net for the barrier. For that we are trying to save money to buy this badminton playing equipment. Every school once we collect and once a month we buy shuttlecocks to play with. Playing badminton is very fun and through playing badminton we both hope that we can become proud and accomplished athlete for the country of Indonesia. And other activity besides badminton in my spare time are playing football. Soccer is a sport that many people play. This sport is very man. I like it. I like it. I usually play futsal with friends. Playing futsal is fun for me. It makes my heart careful and happy, especially when I poke at my opponent and score goals. In futsal, I learned together joint fitness and disciplines and fair play. Every Friday, I have a schedule of party training with my friends at home on the sidelines of playing futsal. Sometimes there are funny things. All the players laugh at once. For example, there are players whose realize because they are so excited to kick the ball, even though the ball is not kicking. Instead the sways are flying. Suddenly the sways are looser or too big. Not to mention if there is a goalkeeper who is too forward, not the ball being driven away. Instead the opponent foot is south. My favorite football players are Ronaldo and Messi. If my favorite football teams is course Persib Bandung and the Indonesian national team. Someday, when I become a professional soccer player, I want to be like both of them futsal, mat hobby. Those are some of the activities my spare time, namely playing badminton and playing football. The activity in my spare time are so fun for me. Thanks for thanks for all. Thank you. Good night.